Wait, I'll just put lipstick. It's not good. Not good. Wait. Now I think it's now okay. Now better. Ah! Are you good? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Really, I don't feel good. Actually, I really don't feel good. Asha, what will you eat? Wait. Water every time. Water, water. Oh, I need to finish. I need to. My body is like hydrated. You know. Yeah. Hi, my love. How are you, my love, love? Ugma ko mag-ano, be? Musta, my love? Ugma ko. Alain Mall, yes, yes. Morning Star. I'm here working in Alain Mall. Yeah, miss you all. Miss you too. Wala, masama pakiramdam ko dahil. Yeah, tomorrow I'll open party room. Thank you. Karon, maaga ko matulog ko na punta ako hospital 7:30 till 4 7:30 till 3 o'clock sa hospital ako. But I'll open my party room. Yawa. Habang may nakaturok sa akin, habang may nakaturok, mag-open na ako. Thank you. Morning Star, tomorrow is my birthday. Yeah, tomorrow. Actually, today, 27, it's my dad's birthday. But my dad passed away last 2000,